Do you understand English but still feel nervous when you speak? Or maybe you're a complete beginner and don't know where to start. Hi, I'm Sara, an English teacher based in Turkey. I speak Persian, English, and Turkish, so I understand the challenges language learners face at every level. Whether you're a beginner or pre-intermediate, intermediate, or even more advanced, I can help you feel more comfortable and confident using English in real life. In my lessons, we don't just study English, we live in English. My goal is to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking naturally in English. I use an immersive method that helps you surround yourself with English, understand how the language really works, and use it confidently in daily situations. We focus on real conversations, useful vocabulary, natural pronunciation, and speaking with confidence from the very beginning. Even if you don't know much English yet, it's completely okay. I'll guide you step by step in a friendly and supportive environment. My classes are well structured, practical, and designed to help you actually use English, not just memorizing grammar rules. So if you want to speak naturally, think in English, and feel confident communicating, book a trial lesson with me and start your English journey.